First, we make sure the screen is turned on. After that, we'll go ahead and press the phone button. It's asking, would you like to add a new phone? We'll press yes. It says turn on Bluetooth on the device and search for Honda CR-V. Here I have another iPhone with me. Just make sure the Bluetooth is turned on the device. Once this is turned on, at the very bottom you will see Honda CR-V popping out, similar to the one we see on the car screen. Just press the Honda CR-V on the phone. It will take some time and then you will see a code showing up on the phone screen. There it gives you the code. This code right there should match with the code on the screen of the car. Once they both match with each other, then we'll go ahead and press pair on the phone screen. It's asking to allow contacts and favorite sync. We'll press allow. And that is how you connect Bluetooth device to your car. Now suppose you want to delete a previously added device. Just press on the menu. Press on the Bluetooth settings. There you would see disconnect all devices or delete device. In our case, we will press delete device. There's our iPhone right there. We'll click on it. It's asking delete iPhone from Bluetooth safe devices. We'll press yes. It will be taking few seconds to load and right there iPhone has been deleted. That is how you add or delete a Bluetooth device on this car. Notice at the end it will ask you, would you like to add a new phone now? You know what needs to be done now, so this is how you add or delete a Bluetooth device on this car. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.